Hey Vogue, welcome to my bathroom. Hey guys, it's Sua. Welcome back to my channel, and of course this isn't the real Vogue Beauty Secrets video, but I thought it would be fun to, pretend like high class and pretend like a celebrity. Like, who doesn't like doing that? I feel like I do that all the time. So I'm gonna show you guys my going out makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy. Before I show you guys my going out makeup look, I have my first giveaway on my YouTube channel, and I partnered with YESSTYLE to give away 2 beauty boxes. And in that beauty box, you can get a lash primer. You can also get a lip tint. This color is so pretty. And then you will get this like sunscreen essence thing for your skincare or before your makeup looks. I love this product. And the last 2 things is there is a perfect volume up mascara, and then there is this eye marker, which is an eyeliner. And the giveaway is easy. If you guys would like to enter, all you guys have to do is follow me on Instagram, follow YESSTYLE on Instagram, and then you guys have to like my recent post, and you just have to comment down your favorite Korean beauty item or skincare item, just any beauty item, and simple as that. Before I do my makeup, I hate having my hair in my way, so I'm just gonna put my hair, even though my baby hairs are out right now, I'm gonna put my hair up so it doesn't get in the way. So this is just a makeup look, but I wanted to show you guys my favorite skincare products so far. If you guys are struggling with like acne or just any bumps on your face, this is gonna change your life. I've been using this only for like 3 days. If you see my skin like 3 days ago, it sucked. It literally sucked. And this is a Jeju sparkling water deep peeling pad. So good, but it might be a little bit too strong for some people, so make sure you just try it out just a little bit and then let the magic work. The first thing I put on my face is of course the primer, and this is from the NYX collection, and it doesn't have like a scent, so it's good because some primers smell really bad. So I just spray that all over my face. And the next thing I put is this tone up cream. This is kind of like a sunscreen kind of thing, but it smells so good. It's kind of like rose smell, I think. And then this is from the brand Innisfree. This really does help me find my shade and helps me kind of brighten up my skin in the morning. I don't know if you can tell, but it did definitely just brighten up my skin a little bit. And the next thing is I don't usually put on foundation just because I don't like too much stuff on my face. So I just go with my concealer. This is from the brand Luna, and this is just the long lasting tint concealer. This is in the shade 28. My dark circles have been so bad just because of waking up to school and sleeping late because of school. So everything is because of school. I just go around and put it on places that I need a little bit more brightness on. And I just blend that in with my beauty blender. After I blend in my concealer, I go on with this Milk product. This is the bronzer stick. I love when makeup products come in sticks. I don't know why, it's kind of like just easy to apply. And I just put that below my cheekbone and I put it on my jawline, which I kind of have. I just go with this big makeup brush. I don't know, this came in a sample, but I've been using it so much. It's so nice, it's so soft, and it blends everything so nicely. This is another Milk product. This is a glow cheek stick from Milk, and this is amazing. You can also put this on your lip for kind of like a lip gloss look, I guess. But I love this shade, and it's not too much for my skin tone. And I get my other brush, it's a different one, and I just blend that in. And key thing I learned, I watched so many like Vogue Beauty Secrets video, is to blend everything up. So it kind of has a, I can't explain it, like you get a better figure. I don't know, it lifts up your face. I think that's how you explain it. After I kind of have some color on my face, I just go on with this pore powder. I don't think this is like baking your face, but it's just pore powder. Makes your skin feel so soft at the end. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. That's so much powder. And I just go under my eye and up. And I'm gonna blend it in later. And then I go below where I contoured. And I also go like right between my eyebrows. Like so much just went in my freaking nose. Next, I just go with another brush and just kind of blend that in. I'm not really a brows person. I think my brows are kind of fine. It's not like, I mean, it's there. So I don't really touch my brows. All I do is just get this, what is this called again? Shoot, I don't remember. But I just go and just brush out a little bit so it kind of has more of a clean look. After my brows, I just go on with this big makeup palette. It's called Nicole Miller New York palette. I've been using this so much, which I love. It has everything from highlighter to bronzer to blush. And I just go on with my bronzer brush thing I have and go to my contour. Just kind of give it a little bit more shade to my face. And then with my blush brush, I'm gonna go onto my powder blush, and this one is so nice because it kind of has that glow glitter on it. So the next thing I do is probably one of my favorite things, which is contouring my nose. I don't really have like a problem with my nose, but I just love when it looks like snatched, you know. So I don't know if I'm doing this correctly, but I've been doing it like this. I saw so many videos on TikTok, so don't make fun of me. But I just go with my bronzer stick from Milk, just outline my nose so it kind of has a structured look, and line up where the tip of my nose start or end, and give it that the round look at the bottom. So like that. This looks so weird. Next, I have a concealer stick. It's kind of like a lipstick kind of thing, but I go in and put it on my nose like that. And then I just get the same blender from last time and blend that in. So that's basically like the face part. So I go with my setting spray and kind of just set my face first, and at the end I'll set it again. I don't really have a difference between my daily makeup and my going out. Just give a little more shade to my eyelids. So I just get this palette from Before Sunrise from Innisfree, and it just has all the colors I need, which is just more like shades of brown. So I go on with a little bit light shade of brown first and just go put it all over my eyelid. And then I just go on with the little bit darker one and do a little bit outside corner of my eye. I'm gonna use this eye marker I showed you guys in the beginning of the video and use that as my eyeliner. It is in the shade of brown, which I favor more than black ones. So, and I'm not the best at eyeliner, so this is, it's not gonna look good, trust me. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference between this one and this one so far. I love putting eyeliner in the inner corners and under my eyelashes because it just brings out my eyes a little bit more. And I'm going to do the same thing to my other eye. This is kind of a weird thing, but I put on mascara and then finish off my eyeliner just because I want to know where like my eyelashes thing ends. I don't know, I'll just show you guys. But I just go curl my eyelashes. Nothing too special. I think when you curl your eyelashes, it like changes up your whole face. Like, it already looks good because I curled my eyelashes. I'm gonna go in with this eyelash primer I showed you guys. This is also in the part of the giveaway. Eyelash primer is kind of important just because when you have Asian eyes like me, my eyelashes come down pretty fast even though I have mascara. So putting on primer really helps my eyelashes stay up there. This mascara I have not changed since I've been wearing mascara since probably like 6th grade, I think. But it is the Lash Paradise, and this is the waterproof version. I love it so much. It gives me length and volume just because I have no eyelashes. I probably do like 3 coats, but I use different types of mascara every time. And I kind of like to mix up my mascaras. So the next one I put on top is same thing. It's the Lash Paradise, but this isn't the waterproof version. It gives me a little bit more volume than the waterproof one, so I just go on top. Next thing I do is another mascara, and this one is the one from Milk. And this one actually makes it look like I have eyelashes on. It gives me so much volume. And so that is basically 3 coats. I don't really like putting on eyelashes, so this is how I kind of make it look like I have eyelashes, kind of longer and more voluminous. And then, like I said earlier, I'm gonna go with my eyeliner and finish off my eye. To give my eye a little bit more of the sparkle it needs, I am gonna go in with that same makeup palette and get this gold shade with a little tiny makeup brush and put it on my inner corners. The next thing I do, this isn't a highlighter stick, this is kind of like an eyeshadow stick, but I like to use this as my highlighter stick. I don't know, I put this on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose and just blend it out with my finger. Finally, the last thing I have is the lip part, and I'm not the biggest fan of lips, like bright colors, so either I just use my milk blush thing and put it on my fingers and put it on my lip, or I go on with this Innisfree, it's an oil tint, but I just put that on just a little bit and go in with my fingers. And it just gives it like that perfect shade I kind of need. But if I want to go for a little bit more of a darker color, I go on with this another Innisfree cotton ink tint, and I put like the tiniest dot because this is really dark. And I'm done with my finger as well. I totally forgot, but I also have to give my cheeks some glow, so I go on with the Milk highlighter stick and I just put that on my cheeks and I use my fingers to blend that out. And of course, to finish it off, I'm going to use the setting spray I used earlier to set my face and set my whole face with this. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. This is the end of my going out makeup look. It's not that much, not the best at makeup, so this is basically all I do. But honestly, thank you for Vogue for, yeah, I'm not even gonna try, but I hope you guys try to enter the giveaway a little bit earlier so I can choose my winners easier, so I don't do everything last minute. But I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.